Welcome everyone. As you can see, I have a tile to do I'm going to do a swipe on black. And welcome to Carol's Art Room. This is black color to go, tricorn black it is. I had it mixed up at the paint store. Just spread it out. Probably use this to swipe, or maybe I'll use my a little bit wider one. Okay, as you can see, I've got quite a mess going here. I've been doing a couple of other ones. All right, so I've got some Pearl-Ex Sunset Gold Pearl-Ex. So I'm just gonna lay a few colors here. This is Amsterdam Gold, light gold. This one is Champagne Gold by Art. And I'm going to put some Pearl White in here. Art Extreme Sheen Pearl White. And then this one is Pebeo Iridescent Gold. The only one I don't have in here is 24 karat gold. I'm out of it. All right. Now let's see how this turns out. I'm going to swipe with black. Just putting it on my paint scraper. It's not quite wide enough, is it? Wow. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Give it a little tip. Spin. I'll tip it back again. These are the prettier cells right here. Can lose a little bit of this. Oh, that's so pretty. I think that's as much as I want to spin it. One more little one. There. Oh, I love it. I love it. I like it better than my bloom, I think. Very pretty. There you go. Look at that. Have a good day, everybody, and thanks for watching my videos. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll be notified when I do a new video. And I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Bye. Hi, everyone. This is the tile I did with the swipe. Look how awesome that is. Very shiny. Very pretty. I love how this one turned out. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.